Dear students, good morning. In the previous video, we discussed the calculus problems, that is objective, related with IIT and JEE Mains. I taught 7 problems. The calculus means entire integrations, definite integrals, application of integrations, and DE. DE means differential equations. Okay, na? Now, we'll continue. 8th problem. You see, 8th problem. Integral 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. Okay, na? You see, this is integral 0 to pi by 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x. Try to understand. It is 1 by tan. Tan into 1 tan x plus 1 by tan. Tan goes up. So tan x by 1 plus tan x. Okay, now one formula is there. It is a formula 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x by f of sin x plus f of cos x dx is always pi by 4. Not only this one. It is integral 0 to pi by 2 f of tan x by f of tan x plus f of cot x is also pi by 4. Similarly, 0 to pi by 2 f of secant x by f of secant x plus f of cosecant x dx is equal to pi by 4. You say the pairwise sin and cos one pair, tan cot one pair, secant cosecant one pair. All are gives the same pi by 4 answer. That is simple. You see, for example, it is integral 0 to pi by 2 f of sin integral 0 to a f of x dx means integral 0 to a f of a minus x. A property is there. So like this, it is a sin of pi by 2 minus x. It will become as cos x. It is f of cos is sin is cos is a sin. Okay, na? So it is some I. So it is also I. So I plus I. For the first I, we may write this one. F of sin x by f of sin x plus f of cos x. For this one, it is f of cos x by f of cos x plus f of sin x, like this. So, LCM is, you see, same LCM. F of sin plus f of cos is there. In the denominator, f of sin plus f of cos. S means sin you take, C means cos. It is same. It is x. Integral 1 dx means x. With limits 0 to pi by 2. So it is pi by 2, upper limit pi by 2 minus 0, leave down. This is 2i na. So I is pi by 2 by 2, pi by 4. In this case also same. The pairwise sin cos one set, tan cot, secant cosecant. But you may feel that, sir, here it is not cot is there. Of course, one means in terms of cot is cot pi by 4. Like that we may take it. It is also pi by 4. Okay, na? That is the answer. Okay? Right. The next one. Next one is the 9th one. It is integral 4 e power x plus 6 e power minus x by 9 e power x minus 4 e power minus x dx. It is ax plus b log of the denominator, same denominator is given. But it's a and b values were asked here. You see one formula. Here also a formula is there. Integral a e power x plus b e power minus x by c e power x plus d e power minus x dx is a x plus b log denominator. Means, you see, where capital A is 1 by 2 a by c plus b by d is a formula. D is equal to 1 by 2 a by c minus b by d. Okay now? These are the formulas. You simply follow the formula. Or otherwise, we have to solve this one by traditional method. Traditional method. The numerator is equal to a d by dx of denominator plus b is there. Or otherwise, alpha beta will take it. Okay now? It is a theory part method is there. Numerator means this one. Alpha d by dx of denominator. It's the denominator differentiation. D by dx of denominator. It's the differentiation we have to put. And b. Okay now? Like that, if you solve it, we can get the value. But it is a traditional method, not needed. You simply leave it out by using this formula. Here it is 1 by 2. What is a? 4 by 9 plus, what is b? It is a 6 by, it is a minus 4. Okay now? That it is a 1 by 2. It is a minus 16 plus 54 by minus 36. 1 by 4. It is a 54, 16 means how much? It is 14, 8, 4 means 38. 38 by minus 36. So it is minus 19 by 36. Okay, now 2 19s. Similarly, here it is 1 by 2. It is 4 by 9 minus plus 6 by 4. Okay, now B 6. D minus 4, minus plus. It is 16 plus 54 by 2 into 9 into 4. Here also it is 70 by 2 into 36. That is 35 by 36. So A is minus 19 by 36. B is equal to here. A comma B we are asked. A is minus 19 by 36 and it is 35 by 36. You verify it is not given in ABC, so we may put this one. Okay now? B option. In this problem, it is important. This formula is important. You follow it. Now, the 10th problem. The integral x power 3t plus x square 2t plus x power t of 2 x power 2t plus 3 x power t plus 6 whole power 1 by t dt. Okay, now, right. Here the variable is x, okay. With respect to x, we are differentiating. We have to differentiate with respect to t, x only. But unnecessarily, we are given a t. Actually, here t is there, where t belongs to capital N. It is a natural number. So we may take by Konnur method. may take t is equal to 1. So it is integral x cube plus x square plus x t is equal to 1. X cube, x square plus x of 2x square plus 3x plus 6 whole power 1 by t, 1 by 1, 1. Simply leave out. So this is dx. Okay now? We may feel that it is by parts method, f of x and g of x like that. No, that is the wrong method. Take x as common and send into the second bracket. It is x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now x is taken as common and that x goes inside. So it is 2x cube plus 3x square plus 6x dx. Will you agree? Okay, now you see, put 2x cube plus 3x square plus 6x as some y by substitution method. I am substituting this as a y. Differentiating, it is 6x square plus 6x plus c dx is equal to, it is dt. Okay, now it is dt. Substitution method. So 6 as taken as common, x square plus x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. Very clearly x square plus x plus 1 dx is equal to 1 by 6 dt. Okay, right. So here this part and dx will become as 1 by 6 dt and it is t. So it is integral t, this is t 1 by 6 dt. So 1 by 6 you send to outside, integral t dt means t square by 2. So it is 1 by 12. What is t? T is this one. It is 2x cube plus 3x square plus 6x whole square. Okay, plus c is there. Here it is 6 of t plus 1. 6 into 1 plus 1, 2 na? 6 2's 12. It is 2x power 3t. 3x square means x square is there, 2 into t plus 6x into t, like this I am writing. Okay, now power 2t. So I think the first option. Yes. Okay, now you see there. Yeah. It is t and here it is t plus 1 is there. Okay, na? We correct it. So I substitute in the first option. T is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2, 3 is 6, yes, correct one. This is correct. Or otherwise you compare this one. Okay, na? Like that we can. T is equal to 1, yeah. Yeah, we will get the same thing. Okay, na? This is the thing. Yeah, pass. Okay, 11th one. Observe. The area of the curves are given. You see, x is equal to 2 plus 4 cos theta. Y is equal to 3 plus 3 sin theta. Okay, now these are two curves. See, but it is not clear. Curve means a line or a circle, ellipse, hyperbola, parabola like that. But here x is in terms of cos and sin. See, it is x by 2. X minus 2 by 4 is equal to cos theta. Na? y minus 3 by 3. It is sin theta na. Okay na? So cos square theta plus sin square theta, we know that 1. In that identity we substitute x minus 2 by 4 whole square. Y minus 3 by 3 whole square is equal to 1. So it is x minus 2 whole square by 16. It is y minus 3 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. So this is an ellipse. It is just like ellipse whose center is okay na? 2, 3 like this. And the major axis is 4 and the minor axis is 9. Okay na? Major axis, that means a. X minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square. Like this. Here a square is equal to 16, that implies a is equal to 4. B square is equal to 9, that is equal to b is 3. So the area bounded by the ellipse, you see, ellipse area is pi AB. Pi AB. So it is pi into A means it is 4B means it is 3. So this is 12 pi square units. Okay na? Like that we have to do. By seeing this problem, we cannot understand what type of curve. This is the ellipse one. Like this we have to solve it. Okay na? So this is the first one. Okay. Pass. Now, 12th problem. The area of a smaller region of the curve and a line. We are given 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 36. This is y. And the line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. It is x square by 4 by 36 is 9. Y square by 36 by 9 is 4 is equal to 1. So it is x square by 3 square. Y square by 2 square is equal to 1. Okay now? Here A is greater than B. A is 3, B is 2. This is ellipse. It is very clear. In the previous problem also ellipse. And you see, here it is 2x by 6 means 3, 3y by 6 means it is 2 is equal to 1. Is a line. So this is the ellipse. Okay, now it is x-axis, y-axis, and it is 3. A is 3, semi-major axis. It has the horizon. It is 3, 0, and it is 2, 0, 2, and it is a line. X-intercept 3 units, Y-intercept 2 units. Perfect it is. So this is the area. Okay. So area is equal to. It is bounded by the ellipse and the line. Okay na? But it is not needed. We can solve shortly, that is by using the 20 method very shortly. We can use in the first quadrant 1/4 of the area of the ellipse. This is, say it is OAB. OAB is the 1/4 of ellipse. Yeah. And minus, it is a triangle. OAB triangle is there. So subtract that one. Already in the previous problem, it is pi AB. A formula is given. It is 1/2 base is OA, height is OB. So it is 1/4 pi A is 3, B is 2 minus 1/2. A is 3, OA means A. OB means 2. Okay, now this is 6 by 4 pi minus 6 by 2. Okay, now this is 3 by 2 pi minus 3. So 3 by 2, it is pi minus 2 square units. Okay, now simplification, easily you can understand. So the option is 3 by 2 pi minus 2, very first one. Okay, now like this we have to solve the problem. Okay, now is it clear? Next. Next, 13th problem. You see, 13th problem is also, it is a DE problem. It is a DE, differential equation. The 11, 12 is a application of integrations. Order and degree of a given DE, 1 plus divided by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 is equal to a d square y by dx square. A very good concept. Observe. In the DE, the terminology order and degree. Order is very simple. Order of derivative. Suppose divided by dx is there, is the first order. D square y by dx square is there, it is a second order. Okay, na? Suppose d cube y by dx cube is there, it is a third order. Okay, na? But you don't confuse. Divide by dx whole square means it is not order. It is not order. It is a degree. The index of order derivative, this is order derivative, first order derivative, second order derivative, third order derivative. Okay, now suppose divided by dx is first order, its degree, index is 2. Here degree is 2. Okay, now first order, this is first order, order is 1, degree is 2. Okay, now suppose divided by dx whole cube plus d square y by dx square is there, 2 whole square. Here order is in this degree, order is 2. The highest order derivative occurring in it, highest order derivative happened in it is 2, not first order. Of course, first order is there, second order is also there. So order is 2. The highest order derivative occur in the degree is order 2. Whereas the degree means already I give the definition. Degree means it is the index of order derivative. But here is some confusion. Please try to understand. Divided by dx is 1 order, first order. Its index is 3. D square y by dx square is the second order. Its index is 2. Which one is the degree? You see, degree means highest index of highest order. Highest order is 2. Its degree is, its index is 2. So we may say degree is 2, not 3. Even though if it is 10, 100 also, we will not take it as a degree. Okay, now suppose I will tell you one more thing, one more example. Suppose divide by dx power 10 d square y by dx square is 3, d cube y by dx cube is equal to some 6 is there. Order is, as already we discussed, order is the highest order is 3. This is the highest order derivative. It is happened in the given degree. And degree means the index, the highest index, of course, the highest index of highest order derivative. Order derivative highest one is dq by dx cube. For it, 1 is there. But here index is 2. Here is 10. But it's the lowest order. Divided by dx is first order. But index is 10. We should not take that one. So degree is the this is power or index of highest order derivative is 1 1. Okay now. Suppose d square y by dx square, this is 5, d square y by dx square whole cube is equal to 6xy is there. It is also d. You see here both are order is 2. Order is 2. Yeah. D square by dx square in both cases. But the index, there is no any other order derivative. Only one order derivative. Order is 2. For that order derivative, highest order derivative, the index at one time is 3, at one time is 5. So here degree is the highest one we have to take it. Okay, now then suppose 1 plus divided by dx whole power 3 by 2, or in this case, okay, or otherwise I will take this one only, our problem, 13th problem. Here the order is, you see order is 2 because highest order derivative is d square y by dx square. This is 2. Here simply divided by dx, but the index is there. This is not order. Divided by dx is first order and it is containing the index, that is 2. It is a different one. You see, here we may feel that as we said, you may tell that the degree is 1, but it is not. You see, in the DE, the index must be a positive integer. But here it is a rational number 3 by 2. So first we square on both sides. We get divided by dx whole square whole power 3 cube. It is a square d square y by dx square whole square will come. Why? Because in the DE, when you are asked to find the degree, in the DE, the index means the power. Always be integer, positive integer. But it is a rational, 3 by 2, 2 by 5, like that. It is a rational. So I am making it as an integer 3. Here it is 2. Now you tell me the order is okay, 2 is correct, degree. Degree is, already I told you, degree is the highest index for highest order derivative. Highest is 2 square by dx square. D square by dx square is 2 is there. So its order is 2 and the degree is also 2. So we have to put this one, B option. Okay now? Right. Again, the 14th problem, you see, is again it is areas. I mean, application of integrations. It's a fantastic concept. You see, the area bounded by the curves, 4 different curves are given. Y is equal to log x. If base is not given, we assume it is E always. And y is equal to log x with modulus x is with base E. Y is equal to, it is log x whole modulus to base E. Y is equal to, it is mod x again with modulus. Like this is given. There the base is not mentioned. The rule is, in the mathematics, if base is not mentioned or any number not mentioned, it is understood as E. Alright, okay. Now you see, y is equal to log x. Side is horizontal, the y-axis, and it is x-axis minus x-axis. Okay. Y is equal to log x to base c is a curve like this. Already in the previous video I taught this problem also. Once again you try to understand. This is the curve. Is y is equal to log x to base c. Okay now? That is when x is equal to 1, y is 0. Here it is 1 comma 0. X is equal to e. E means log to base is 1. Okay now? That means e value 2.7. It is 1, 2.7. Maybe like this. It is 1. X is equal to e square. It is going on increasing. That is x is equal, y is equal to log x to base c. Whereas y is equal to log x to base c total with the modulus. Modulus means there is no negative. So the same like this. Okay now? Like this is there. Instead of writing this one, it is there. It is going on. Okay now? This part. That means, clearly I will tell, the both this one and it is combinedly is y is equal to log x with the modulus. Okay now? Similarly, it is minus 1 comma 0. This is the left side, that is in the negative side. Log mod x, log 1 plus 1 is 0. Log minus 1 is also 0. Y is 0 value. You substitute negative values or positive values. Both sides we will get the curve. Here you see these two curves, don't confuse. These two curves combinedly y is equal to log mod x. Okay na? Right. Similarly, here also this is a curve. Okay na? This one is the y is equal to log mod x with modulus. Now you see, combinedly, if it is very clumsy, you don't learn it for the knowledge purpose. I am drawing all these things. If this problem is no doubt in IIT and JMENS also it's asked. So simply you remember this one. This is the area. You simply remember this one is the area. It is going on decreasing. It is also a part. So there are 4 parts which are symmetric. These are symmetric. These are symmetric. That is why I am taking as one part. Required area is 4 times integral. This is 0 to 1. Okay now? It is only log x to base e. It is understood. You know, log x, only one curve I am taking. Okay now? Integral log x is x log x minus x with the limits 0 to 1. It is 4 square units will come. Okay, na? Like that, we may solve the problem. Simply, for the knowledge purpose, I am giving all these diagrams and everything. But you leave it out, you simply remember this problem expression. Okay, na? So it is option 4. The option. Okay, na? Yeah.